our international teachers, instructors, and our dear campers. Welcome to our final talent show 2017. Time flies extremely fast. Like, it seems like 3 days ago our camp just started, and it's been 21 days. Can you imagine? Oh my god. But unfortunately, we have to say goodbye to our lovely camp for this year, for our English sunny camp. What else can I say about this time flying? Well, during this our summer camp we met a lot of friends. We hosted a lot of international guests from St. Petersburg, from the US, Annie Himes, our incredible young teacher, and also we had different topical days where you participated with us, and we're extremely happy to see your creativity and your talent. Also, you're helping your counselors, your instructors, and you make friends with access students from Salava district. That's one of the greatest things, I guess. And today here, also we have a lot of guests, mostly international ones, like our favorite instructor, Justin Albert. Our instructor, also Jeremy Savage. And our Elizabeth Hughes. Yes, I do remember that. So yeah, that's welcome. And also, yes, Patrick is coming. Also, yes. Yes, our Patrick Baker is also coming. And also, I see their parents and relatives of our campers. Welcome to our Alexis alumni. Yes. During our camp, we had different, as I said, topical days, also talent shows. They had different themes, but today we have gala show. The best of the best are going to be shown on the stage. And right now, I would say that dancing is the best way to express your feelings and emotions. And right now, team number 1 will perform in front of you with beautiful dance moves. So please enjoy.
I was a quick, wet boy diving too deep for coins. All of your street light eyes wide on my plastic toys. Then when the cops closed the fair, I cut my long baby hair and stole me a dog. Have I found you, flightless bird, jealous, weeping or lost you, American mouth, big I was a quick, wet boy diving too deep for coins. All of your street light eyes wide on my plastic toys. Then when the cops closed the fair, I cut my long baby hair and stole me a dog-eared map and called for you everywhere. Have I found you, flightless bird, jealous?
It's a beautiful, lovely dance. Thank you, team number 1. And we value performances a lot in our summer camp. And right now, our students from team number 2 will present a performance, a play, The Secret. So let's welcome them on the stage and with great applause.
sure not to burn it. Now, go into the house and do what I told you.
Yes, Father.
The food is burning! I told you too much about the food!
I thought you told me to sell your socks.
My socks? What were you thinking about? Didn't you smell like fire?
No, I didn't.
You'll never change. What is wrong with you? What have I done? I don't deserve this.
We told you, Father, and I forget everything.
Open the door, please.
How can I help you?
Oh, you're the most beautiful girl I have ever seen in my entire life. What's your name?
Well, thank you. I'm Ariana.
The three of you are so beautiful.
Who are you?
I'm Princess and who are you?
My name is Kay. I'm David.
I'm deeply in love with all of you, but I can only marry one of you.
Please, come in.
There is a strange smell in the air. Never mind about the smell. Who are you? I'm Princess and I want to marry one of you beautiful girls. Please sit down. As I tell you, I want to marry one of you beautiful girls. Which one? It's hard to decide. The three of them are really beautiful. But I will marry the one who can keep a secret.
A secret?
Yes, a secret. Can you keep a secret, Ariana?
I hope so. Oh, how strange it is.
If you can keep the secret from me, I'll marry you. Goodbye.
What did he say? Tell us.
It's a secret. Stop it, girls. You heard it. It's a secret.
Come on, Ariana. I know you well. You can't keep secrets.
Leave her alone.
You're right. I can't keep secrets, and you know it too, Father. I have an idea. Why don't you go to the well and just say the secret out loud? Nobody hear you. Just the well. Good idea. But you have to stay here. I'll be back soon. Now I feel much better.
Did you do it?
Yes, I did.
It's been a long day. We need to rest. Good night.
He's a prince. Please come in.
Did you keep a secret?
Yes, Your Highness.
Did she tell you the secret?
No, she didn't.
Then you will be mine.
No, I won. I was in the well. She went to the well and got your secret. I got it.
What's the secret?
You have a hole in your right shoe.
It's true. You can't be my wife.
I'm sorry. It was your idea.
Can you keep a secret?
Oh, sure, I can be. It's funny.
If you can keep the secret for me, I'll marry you.
What did he say? Tell us.
It's a secret. Stop it, girls. You heard it. It's a secret.
Come on, Kelly. I know you know. You can't keep secrets.
Leave her alone.
You're right. I can keep secrets, and you know it too, Father. I have an idea. Why don't you go to the forest and just say the secret out loud? Nobody hear you. Just say forest. Good idea, but you have to stay here. I'll not answer. Oh no, I feel much better. Did you do it?
Yes, I did. It's been a long day. We need to rest. Good night.
It's a prince. Please, come in.
Did you keep a secret?
Yes, Your Highness.
Did she tell you the secret?
No, she didn't.
Then you'll be my wife.
No, I live in the forest. She went to the forest and yelled me a secret. I was in a tree. I heard it.
What's the secret?
You have a hole on your left shoe.
It's true. You can't be my wife.
I'm sorry. It was your idea.
Can you keep a secret?
Oh, sure, I can, please. Oh.
If you can keep the secret for me, I'll marry you. Goodbye.
What did she say? Tell us. No, I can't.
Yes, you can.
No, then I can't.
Oh no! Ha 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 ha! Do you remember what she told me? She forgets everything.
I'm trying hard to remember, but I can't.
Try harder. Now he's really secretive to her.
It's a prince! Please come in.
Did you keep a secret?
No,
So you couldn't keep the secret just like your sister. At least you are being honest with me.
I forgot it.
You forgot the secret?
Yes, I did. I can't remember what you told me.
Will you marry me?
Yes.
team number 2, The Secret. Well, most of our students have completed musical skills during the school year, and they're gonna be future famous English-speaking composers and piano players. Right now, I want to welcome Yulia from team number 1 on the stage. She will play a beautiful song. Let's welcome her. We do love dances a lot, as we mentioned in our previous first play, and right now Buzek from team number 2 will perform a dance for you. It's called Dollhouse. So let's welcome Buzek.
Hey girl, open the walls, play with your dolls. We'll be a perfect family. When you walk away is when we really play. You don't hear me when I say, Mom, please wake up. Dad's with a slut, and your son is smoking cannabis. No one ever listens, this wallpaper glistens. Don't let them see what goes down in the kitchen. Places, places, get in your places. Throw on your dress and put on your doll faces. Everyone thinks that we're perfect. Please don't let them look through the curtains. Picture, picture, smile for the picture. Pose with your brother, won't you be a good sister? Everyone thinks that we're perfect. Please don't let them look through the curtains. Dollhouse. I see things that nobody else sees. Hey girl, look at my mom, she's got it going on. Ha! You're blinded by her jewelry. When you turn your back, she pulls out a flask and forgets his infidelity. Oh, she's coming to the attic. Plastic, go back to being plastic. No one ever listens, this wallpaper glistens. One day they'll see what goes down in the kitchen. Dollhouse. I see things that nobody else sees.
Thank you so very much for this belly dance, Dollhouse. And right now I want to give us certificates for students who participated in Topical Days. As you know, you participated in Topical Days, 2 days, Professionals Day and Movie Day. And right now, I want to give certificates for students who participated in both of them. It's Khalilova Yulia from Team 1. Let's applaud for her. It's for active participation in Professionals Day and Movie Day. And yes, I'm sorry. I would like to ask some foreign our instructor. Justin, can you help us, please? Will you support me, please? Me, please. Yunusbaeva Elina. Atmagulova Aisha. Ostankina Sombula. Latifova Aynas. Ismatulina Emilia. Babayanova Aysalu. Guys, don't forget to take your candies and a gift, okay? Yerkinbayeva Nazgul. Yeshubulova Firuza. Sofidinova Milena. These guys participated in all Topical Days. Masalimova Guzel, our dancing girl. Utagulova Leysan. Giliyar Ilnaz. Yulamanova Guzel. Funafin Yaskar. Zigidulin Ural. Don't forget the candies, guys, okay? Yunusova Aysalu. Sarbayev Bulat. Well done, guys. Thank you guys very much for active participation. And right now, the second thing. People usually like to recite different phrases from famous works. For example, to be or not to be, that is the question. It's by Shakespeare. So right now, a girl from team number 1, Elina, she will recite her favorite poem on the stage. Please welcome her.
A lot of people. Some people talk and never say a thing. Some people look at you and birds begin to sing. Some people laugh and let you want to cry. Some people touch your hands and music fills the sky.
Thank you very much, Elena. Incredible. And right now, I hope you enjoyed playing The Secret, which was performed by team number 2. And right now, they want to perform one more play on the stage, but it's called Mousetrap. Please, team number 2, welcome on the stage.
A mouse is looking through the wall and sees a man and a woman opening a package.
It looks good. What kind of food can be sold there?
He was horrified when he saw it. It was a mouse trap. He went outside to tell the others.
There's a mouse trap in the house! A mouse trap!
there is nothing I can do. I can only pray. Stay calm, you're in my prayers.
Then the man went to see the cow.
There's a monster in the house with this cow.
That won't hurt me. Am I in danger? I don't think so.
Then the mouse went back home looking sad and defeated. That same night when everything was quiet, a loud noise was heard.
I got bit by a snake.
The woman fainted. The man called the doctor. The doctor came and took her temperature and recommended a chicken soup. Everybody knows that chicken soup is good for people with a fever. The man went out to look for the main ingredient, the chicken. So he ran after the chicken.
I'm going to make a soup. Oh no, my gas is over. I will with the soup.
Then the man showed up with a chicken soup. Since the woman was still sick, first the neighbors came to see her. To feed them all, the man decided to cook lamb.
I'm eating pizza now. I'm going to cook a delicious dish.
Oh my! I'm next! I have to run and save my life!
Then the man started chasing the lamb. When the women got better, they wanted to celebrate by giving a big party. They decided to cook the cow to feed everybody. So the man chased the cow.
Come here, little girl. I'm going to cook.
He rose.
Oh, yes. No, I was not invited to the party.
Yes, you are. You are the main dish.
Finally, the mouse decided to get out.
Next time when you hear that someone is having problems, remember there's a mouse trap in the house. So, the whole farm is in danger. Did you see who got saved? We need to help those who need us. We never know when we will be in the same situation.
Well done, guys. Well done, guys. Right now, two talented girls from team number 1 will perform an amazing dance, which is called Unstoppable. I guess we can call our Access campers unstoppable because nothing can stop them from learning English. Let's welcome Anita and Guzey.
I'll smile, I know what it takes to fool this town. I'll do it till the sun goes down and all through the night time. Oh yeah, I'll tell you what you wanna hear. Keep my sunglasses on while I shed a tear. It's never the right time. Yeah. I put my armor on so you are how strong I am. I put my armor on, I'll show you that I am. I'm unstoppable. I'm a Porsche with no brakes. I'm invincible. Yeah, I win every single game. I'm so powerful. I don't need batteries to play. I'm so confident. I put my armor on, I'll show you that I am. I'm unstoppable. I'm a Porsche with no brakes. I'm invincible. Yeah, I win every single game. I'm so powerful. I don't need batteries to play. I'm so confident. Yeah, I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Yeah, I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today.
Well done, well done. If we give out certificates for participation on topical days, right now we would like to give you certificates for participating in our English summer camp. During 21 days, guys, you came to our camp, improved your English, find new friends, and right now you will get such certificates. They're very beautiful and it will be very, very useful in your future. Right now I would like to ask Patrick to help us to give certificates to our students. And Adila, here. Certificate is given to Sagdiyev Khantime. Lamanova Guzel. Халилова Юлия. Guzel Юламанова. Халилова Юлия. Акнагулова Аиша. Roberto Rustem. Aplausos pelas guys. Survive Bulat. Юмансаров Ленар. Языков Дмитрий. Шарипов Идель. Мустафа Насурбур. Фахридинова Милена. Ломанова Гузель. Гузель? Хорошо. Юнусбаева Ирина. Бескужина Гульдар. Ильмияров Ильназ. Халиуллин Искандер. Алиса Фадель. И Муратова Алина. Thank you, Patrick, very much. And right now, I want to welcome on the stage team number 1. They will perform one more play. It's called The Mice Wedding. Something interesting. Let's welcome them.
No.
You are the most powerful in the world. You deserve to marry our daughter.
She is the most beautiful girl on earth.
No, I'm not the most powerful. The most powerful is the wind.
The wind?
Yes, the wind blows me. Listen, there is love.
Mr. Wind, stop!
What do you want? I'm in a hurry.
We want you to marry our daughter. She's the most beautiful girl in the world.
And you are the most powerful. You deserve her.
I'm not the most powerful. The most powerful is the wall.
The wall?
Yes, the wall stops me. The wall doesn't let me go through.
Mr. Wall, Mr. Wall.
He doesn't hear you. He's old and deaf.
Mr. Wall, Mr. Wall.
What do you want?
We want you to marry our daughter.
That's wrong. I'm too old.
Would you like to marry our daughter?
Who, me? Why?
Because they're the most powerful.
Me, the most powerful? I'm full. The most powerful is the mouse. Who made them?
The mouse.
Mouse?
You are the parents of the most beautiful girl in the world. I want to marry her. We have been in love for a very long time.
Oh, but where you could to live?
In the south wall, I have been building a house with many rooms. It has living room, dining room, and a kitchen. It's very comfortable.
Yes, you'll marry our daughter because they're the most powerful.
More powerful than the sun, the clouds, the winds, and the world.
Thank you, team number one. That was incredible and very funny. Right now, I want to welcome on the stage one more singing girl. She was also a dancing girl. It's Guze from team number two. She was dancing a dollhouse, and right now she will sing a song Beautiful by Christina Aguilera. Please welcome Guze on the stage.
Every
Right now, I want to continue giving out certificates, and right now I will ask Jeremy. Jeremy will help me to do that. So, certificate is given to Yakshagolova Firuza. Adila. Where is Adila? Adila. Ismatulina Emilia. Yunusova Aysulу. Мусалимова Гузель. Гайсина Камила. Гайсина Камила. Козыльянова Айсулу. Латыкова Айназ. Тягулова Лейсан. Тарасов Владислав. Загидулин Урал. Мунахин Яхтар. Якубаева Назгуль. Якубаева Назгуль. Ильмияров Ильназ. Actually, we'll give him 2 certificates for topically and for Юламанова Гузель. Халилова Юлия. Языков Дмитрий. Thank you, Jeremy, very much. Well, our students, they have very good sense of humor. And right now, students from team number 1 would like to show a stand-up comedy on the stage. So if you expected that our summer campers only can dance and sing, you were mistaken. They can also make jokes too. So let's welcome Elina and Aisha on the stage.
Какая же буква? А. Эй. Что? Это буква Эй. А. Эй. Эй. Продолжим. Какая это буква? П.
Ай! Снова сядьте. Я никогда не звучит по-английски.
Лучше. Пойдем не по порядку. Какая это буква?
Это же я так перевожу.
Нет, это буква Пи.
Пи.
Хорошо, ну, надеюсь, это ты знаешь.
6.
6. Почему ты решила, что в английском алфавите есть цифры?
Ну, если пи, если R это пи, то G это наверняка 6.
Хорошо. Продолжим дальше. Какая это буква?
5. 5. Ну вот еще есть вот такая, это 10 уже.
Ты с ума сошла?
Ну нет. Ну ты меня сама попросила придумать ассоциации к буквам. Я ассоциации придумала, а буквы забыла.
Хорошо. А вот это?
Биби.
Это W.
Может быть тогда double V?
Нет, это W.
Господи.
Так, у тебя нет вопросов по другим
У
буквам?
меня вот есть один вопрос. Вот эта буква, это же H?
Да.
Скажите мне хоть одно слово, которое начинается с этой буквы.
Home.
Ну идите, буква H.
Это такое произношение английского языка. Есть еще слово our. В этом слое вообще H не произносится.
А зачем вы вообще туда поставили тогда? Ой.
Well done, guys. It was something new for our campers, actually stand-up comedy, so they have very bright future, I guess. Our Axis summer camp is called Sunny English. Why? Because everyone here are always smiling, they have warm hearts, and you always will feel like home here. And right now, Emilia from team number 2 will perform a motto of our summer camp, the song Sunny, because Sunny English summer camp. If you know the lyrics, please guys, you're welcome to sing along. Emilia, welcome on stage. Very much. Let's close one more time for all the students who performed today. And right now, we want to, Aisha would like to congratulate some teachers, instructors who worked in the camp. So, you're welcome.
Hello, camp. Do you have any Gillette? So, yes, my role was, as well as our team here, to bring together partners, conditions, prerequisites that could be conducive to a good, successful camp. And we're seeing the results of this great work. So at this stage, I would like to say thank you very much to all our partners, local, federal and international. So for the great input they have made to make this a successful camp. 2 groups this year, a little smaller compared to last year, but very successful. Unstoppable camp, sunny camp, right. Конечно, главное слово благодарности идет, хочется сказать, нашему самому главному партнеру, это гимназии номер 20, в которой уже 14 лет размещается наш замечательный лагерь. Сегодня мы приветствуем уважаемого Ильдара Азатовича. Продолжатели этой традиции. Вам слово, Ильдар Азатович.
Kanada Buzlar, Karat'ta müsaadeniz hemen kapatlar. Hatta bu proyekte Karat'ta yine hemen. Hayır, büyük bir ödeme. Ama ana ahmet dikti. Bu vakitlerle بداية اللي عندنا اللي تكسرت الصحيح. وكيفكت هذه الشيء الوقت نستفاد منها اللي يرجع اللي بتخشوا مهم. هو كان بروجكت كان بتخشوا ليك هيدا كده. كيف يختار؟ عندك ضل أول كوب مشنون عندها إيش نقدر عشان كيف تقال أيضا. ونوصل فرمات القطار. يقول أيضا قدر بدل كذا ولا كذا. ليش بيقدر ويوم هاي بقول أيضا هاي الفرمان جاي جاي ونوصل أكثر من ونوصل هذا كتير أوكرانيش كذا برايس يقدر دور من دوايره وقت أرمي منسى قدر لا بأرور وقت ننتظر لكن قبلين ونوصل بدل هيك شيء فايدة هنيك دو برايس سنكنا يوم هاي بدل بابا بدل دواء بنتخاب تشغل وقت طاير بدل كده يبدأ بابا هيك قيو يتب يريان يعني فايدة ونوصل أكثر من برايس بلوغ sudah mulai berhubung saya kan berhubung juga. Jadi faedah itu. Jadi saya hal awal saya belum tahu. Pada ketika dua rahmat bernama itu karena dua rahmat itu kan terus terjadi. Jadi ini kita rumah bawa ever rumah asbab itu. Itu rahmat itu bawa kan. So proyek elektrik awal juga. Itu rahmat yang seharga. Jadi berhubung mahal dan sebab itu kita koordinasi kita. Sektor ini akan dah seorang bayar kalau itu tidak betul. Ustaz Gawala.
С этим замечательным успехом. Пожалуйста, Райс. Спасибо вам огромнейшее, что вы неизменно нас встречаете. Also, I would like to mention other partners, including the Soviet District Education Authorities. Сегодня представители нашего администрации образования Советского района присутствуют, возможно, подошли или подойдут. Также очень много сделала для нас администрация сама Советского района. Ольга Николаевна решила подойти, здесь она нет. Мы благодарим, тем не менее. Also the English language office, Embassy of the United States of America in the Russian Federation in Moscow. Fulbright office in Moscow. Annie Himes was representing this office at the beginning of the camp, so we have the pleasure of communicating with her. And so many others, maybe in the process will remember them. Also the parents, уважаемые родители, мы благодарим вас, что вы поверили в то, что философия и концептуальная педагогическая модель лагеря очень эффективна и подарили ваши замечательные детишек нам на целых 14 рабочих дней. Возможно, кто-то хочет сказать, есть какие-то, может, впечатления, быстро, уважаемые родители, пожалуйста. Пожалуйста. Ну, может быть, попозже, пока подумайте, я думаю, что Будет приятно услышать ваши впечатления. А пока мы приглашаем для слов благодарности нашу замечательную команду вожатых. Counselors team, please, all of you here. How many of you here? Please. Vadim, where is your team? Adilia, come here, please. Вы на досуге прочитаете, здесь очень много красивых слов написано. Шарафутдинову Вадиму. Come on down. Okay, really awesome. Илья Васильевна. Галина Адиля. Гумерову Роману. Selfie, please. Роман, congratulations. Тимофеева Берия. Good. Now, next come senior counselors. Mustafin Bayras Aydaravi. Thank you for your great work, Baras and Galia, and also for your great ideas to make the cultural topical program of the camp, so it has been very effective. Thank you very much. Now, instructors, come on down. No, local first. Local instructors. Сатридинова Алсутимиряновна. Организации проведения англоязычных тренингов на основе использования художественных средств и народных ремесел. Хамида мне. Использование звуков драматических и песенных. Next, our international instructors. Ильдар Азатович, просим вас вручить. 4 international instructors. Come down. Maybe you would like to say some words of farewell? Are you ready and willing? Of course. Quick. Where is the mic?
Here.
Over here.
You will have to stand up.
Justine, come over. Words of farewell.
I really enjoyed working with you throughout the year, some of you during the year, and then in the summer camp. It started off kind of rocky in my lesson, but I hope you all enjoyed it and you learned something. And it was a pleasure working with you this year. And I will definitely miss you next year when I'm gone, and I'm going to make this short because I'm going to start crying. But thank you, and good luck next year.
It was not something, it was a lot, so much that we have all learned from you. Yes, Elizabeth.
Well, it's great being here with you today. It was great being with you all yesterday. Great group of students and people. I hope you did have a lot of fun and learned a lot too. So go through the rest of your summer. I wish you a great summer and very successful next year. And thanks for letting me be a part of it.
All right. Good afternoon. How are you? Awesome. That's great. You know, I only got to see you just a few days, 3 days maybe, but it was so fun. Wasn't laser tag fun? Laser tag was awesome. It was great. So it was a pleasure being with you. It was a pleasure seeing you even just for a few days. And I just wanted to say, the summer is just beginning. So all summer, don't forget your English. Keep practicing your English. And I'm happy to communicate with you anytime. So take care.
Now, the campus want to be very appreciative. Oh, sorry, Patrick.
So it's been a pretty good 3 weeks. Unfortunately, the weather wasn't the greatest, but despite that, we were able to play some games. Now in the future, you can play baseball or football or something for Fayed, so you can enjoy that. As Jeremy said, the field trips were great. I was lucky enough to be able to go with you on all of them. I think all of them. Yeah, we'll say all of them. I think so. I always enjoy working at this camp too. Just the level of excitement of everyone is astounding. And I hope that this will help you in the future. Just having fun with English, it's a huge step. Some students that I saw that were a little less open during the year really opened up during the summer camp. So I guess what I can say is I hope you took advantage of the summer camp. I think most of you will have another chance for that as well next year. And just keep having fun with English. It's the main thing. So yeah, I'll end with that. So good luck in the future.
Wonderful, great words. Thank you for your warm, reciprocal outcome. Now, the campus have prepared something for you, international instructors. Please stand up to receive little souvenirs of Bashkortostan.
Well, there is like a traditional package stage of Bashkir tea time. So there's chak-chak, as you know, a traditional food. There's a Bashkir tea, which is called salam, and also Bashkir honey. Bashkortostan is very popular for its honey, so I hope you will enjoy it and will love it. And also, unfortunately, it's been almost 2 and 3 years. Like Patrick and Justin were here in Ufa in our beautiful and amazing summer camp. There's so many things has happened during this time, and all kids are grateful. Last year kids, like previous year kids, and this year children, they are so thankful for you, and they prepared a gift for you, for Patrick and for Justin. So, album. So here's like for Patrick, and see. Oh, I'm sorry, I can't zoom it, but there is like the wishes, and there are pictures of our field trips. There are different pictures, so I'm just showing for people who didn't see it. So there are different pictures over here. So yes, and I hope you like it. So Patrick, it's for you actually. And for Justin. I hope this album will warm your heart when you'll be in the US, like remembering our summer camp. So I hope you'll really enjoy it. So.
Thanks and appreciation to the главный человек лагеря, директор лагеря, уважаемая Диана, дорогая Диана Диасовна, просим вас. Это замечательное благодарственное письмо за высокие результаты в организации проведения высокоэффективного международного гуманитарного лагеря Sunny English Summer Camp. Пожалуйста, Патрик. Из ваших нежных рук. По-башкирски написано «Merci».
It was a real pleasure to work with you, all the international instructors, local instructors, counselors, and dear campers. It's very easy to work with everyone involved in this action, and everyone wants to get better, yes, as a person, as a learner. That's why I also would like to join Jeremy and want to say that don't miss the opportunity to learn not only English but Russian, Bashkir, improve all the languages, because the more languages you know, the more successful you will be in the future. So enjoy your summer holidays. The summer is over, unfortunately, yes, but the summer, no, the camp is over, yes, but the summer is just starting, yes, with good weather, and I think that you will enjoy it. Thank you for being with me.
So our philosophy was simple, as you could see. We love you all, dear campers. We try to show that we care for you, not like in this drama where the attitude was, I don't care, right? Don't bother me. So we wanted to organize the program and the conceptual basis in a way that was to produce joy, to produce the environment of friendship, love, of caring, and so on and so forth. Friendships, and we're hoping that you have been able to make many, many friendships. So, now over to parents. Еще раз просим родителей. Наверное, кто-то хочет сказать. Right. Yes. Замечательную выпускница программы «Доступ», да? Представьте, пожалуйста.
Access program and some some speech.
Come back to the next program.
So, that has given me the opportunity to devote my English to practice with native speakers and to do what I really like. Also, it's great to change to be an biologist. Yes, that was the best trip in my life, and it was here was incredibly helpful. I'm very thankful for that you give me so a chance, and I'm immensely thankful for all of you, and especially to the coordinator of Access with Family Tree and directors of summer camp and my teacher, Jens Hassan. So the main thing I want to say is, for students is that life isn't easy, but I wish you to be happy, healthy, and always smile. And appreciate this time because it is your youth and it is the best time of your life. And my favorite songs that like Carpe Diem or Save the Day and make your life extraordinary. So I can speak a lot, but I just want to say that I love this camp. I love Access. I love all of you guys, and I'm really happy that I'm being here. And I just to say thank you so much.
And what do you do now? What do you do now? We have one more alumnus of the next program. Please
Hello,
introduce yourself.
my name is Happy. I always hear some words. I started learning English when I was in second form, but real interest came to me when I was at 7. I realized that I wanted to develop my English, and I joined to the Access program. So what else I can say? Yes, of course. I realized that I wanted to relate my life to this beautiful language. I joined to the Access program. So I've been learning English for 2 years, and next 2 years. So it was a great experience for me. It was a pleasure. Yes, of course, it's an opportunity to make friends. I want to say thank you for all team of Access program, and I wish success for all pupils and teachers. To our foreign guests, I want to say that it was a way of
discovering the world, maybe.
The way of finding yourself in life, maybe perfection, maybe. Yes. So I want to say thank you to everybody, and my special thanks to Slav Mitkevich. He's our hero. Access is a way to develop yourself. So please enjoy this time when you are here. Yeah. Galia and Bayras, best of the bests.
Thank you, Artur, for coming here to participate in this absolutely unforgettable event with so many people, parents, campers, instructors, founders, and so on and so forth. So you are now in the 10th grade, right? 11th, right. I remember when you lost the mobile. And I thought, how can we make up for the loss of Artur's mobile phone? Right. But now you have a better mobile, I'm sure. Right. So, родители, готовы кто-нибудь? Ага, good. Очень много работы. Трудно вас как-то сюда. Наверное, в следующий раз мы магниты мощные найдем. Да, представьтесь, пожалуйста.
Мадеем из Мунир.
Программы и лагерь, если родители говорят на английском языке.
Вот отношения между Россией и Америкой сейчас в данное время не так уж хорошие, но сегодняшняя вот праздничная атмосфера, мы почувствовали, что отношения будут на высоком уровне.
Чем выше, тем лучше.
Да. Но изучать английский язык сейчас не только модно, а жизненно важно. Но мы хотим, чтобы наши дети знали свой родной язык, башкирский язык, русский язык и английский язык. В этом плане 20-я школа и это ваша школа на высоком уровне. Вам спасибо большое. Thank you.
Замечательно. Да, идемте. Замечательно, что вы пришли. Camera, good. Some useful moments for us to share, right? So now looks like yes, Galia.
Right now, I would like to give the floor to Asuti Mirzanna, please. She was one of our instructors here in summer camp.
So every year we make and give presents to our native speaker instructors, to our campus, but this year we have one more new tradition, and we've decided to do it with our campus, with kids. And we have special awards to our organizers and coordinators, Vyacheslav Dmitrievich and Diana Dyasova. We have super camp. Ladies first, okay. Yes, and we have special award from Super Kids. It's presented to Diana Dyasova for being the best success mom of the camp. And Super Camp Awards presented to Vyacheslav Dmitrievich for
many metaphors in modern English. So thank you very much also. Thank you for your great, vibrant Arts and Crafts workshop series as part of the camp. Actually, this metaphor was on my mind about mom and dad. So I'm happy that it has been realized by one of our colleagues. Farewell now.
Yes, but first of all, I would like to show you something that kids did for our Access, mom and dad actually. So, can you for Vyacheslav Dmitrievich and Diana Vyasina, kids did this card. Here's like a lot during the fly park. I don't think you see guys, but this is when we were in fly park. Do you remember that time, like taking pictures? And here's like here in this place with our American instructors, and there's words of gratitude and thank you. So this one is given to Diana Vyasina. So this for you, and this is for Vyacheslav Dmitrievich. It's special thanks from our kids. They did it special for you, and they were thinking what to write, and I hope you like it too. It will warm your heart. Bring that in. Yes. Well, I guess I should say something as a senior counselor of this camp. I can tell that this summer camp was extremely fast. Like I've been working here like for 3 years, but this year's summer camp was super fast. I just like click and like, oh my god, it was extremely fast. Yeah, it's over today, 21 years. I'm just shocked, really. And I want to say, first of all, thank you again to Diana Vyasina and Vyacheslav Dmitrievich and a lot of instructors, school's director, Ilya Razatovich, and to all our people, and to kids, of course. Team number 1, you were incredible. I love you with all my heart. And team number 2, I love you too. Even though I wasn't working with you, I love all of you guys. So you were incredible.